The final step in the home buying process is the final walkthrough. This is an essential opportunity for home buyers to inspect the house before the official closing. The final walkthrough allows the buyer and their real estate agent to go through the home room by room, ensuring that everything is in the same condition or better than the last time you saw the home. During the final walkthrough, buyers can verify that the seller hasn't removed anything from the home that they weren't supposed to. It's a chance to confirm that the seller has made any repairs promised during the inspection period. The final walkthrough is the buyer's last opportunity to ensure that the home is in the condition it should be and that there are no remaining issues that the seller has failed to address. Moving forward with the closing and settling into the new home makes it challenging to bring up any problems that were discovered later. The home is yours. Therefore, it's crucial for the buyer to be thorough during the final walkthrough. Make sure that all agreed upon repairs are completed and that everything outlined in the purchase agreement is in place. Believe it or not, it's more common than you think for sellers to accidentally take items they weren't supposed to. Appliances, curtains, curtain rods, and even electronic devices, including smart home systems, should be checked. We've seen cases where the seller inadvertently took the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Therefore, it's imperative to ensure that all items conveyed in your purchase agreement are present. Before signing off on the final walkthrough, confirm that everything is in good condition, repairs are completed, and the items specified in the purchase agreement are indeed present. This thorough inspection ensures that you are stepping into your new home with confidence, knowing that everything is as it should be. Don't hesitate to address any concerns during the final walkthrough, as this is your last chance to resolve issues before the official closing where the home becomes yours. It's a crucial step in making sure your transition into your new home is a smooth and trouble-free experience. If you're looking for a realtor in the Denver area, our team would love to help. Like and subscribe to keep up with all things in the housing market in Colorado. And if you want to learn more and receive a personalized consultation, just reach out to us at the links below and get a free buyer's and seller's guide. This is Nick Rizzi, placing happy people into happy homes, your Denver Realtor.